Hi, I'm Graham Jobling, College of Law in Adelaide. I'm the Executive Director here. This video is for the subject working group for family law, and it's designed for the working group to be able to have a look around in Canvas, which is the platform that we use for learning, or it's a learning management system that we use for all of the courses within the Practical Legal Training Program. And just a reminder that the idea of the Practical Legal Training Program is it's designed to prepare entry-level lawyers for what you'd expect them to do from day one in a law firm. Each module, or in this case it's family law, is based on the National Competency Standards, and the college aims to assess competence against the National Competency Standards. Now, you may look at the National Competency Standards, which we'll provide to you, and think, well, not everything is covered here, but what we do is assess a range of competencies, and there are other sub-competencies that one would expect students to be able to demonstrate, given that they've demonstrated higher order competencies. So what I'm going to do is show you around the family law course, and the idea is for you to stop the video at any stage to look more closely. So this is the family law practice elective. This is the home page. This is what students will come to when they first go into Canvas. If I go to the subject information, these are the learning objectives of family law. Family law is broken into two tasks. Task 1, advising the client. Task 2 will come to. And then following completion of task 1 and task 2, successful completion, that is, students need to complete tasks that they upload. The students then go on and do an oral assessment that reflects on what they've learned in the module. We've provided the rubric and the questions, etc., that go with that oral assessment to provide the full picture for you. Okay, so there's the homepage for task 1 with instructions. Then we go into task A 1.1, advising the client. This is providing the students with information about what they need to do in activity 1.1. And there is a file here that activity will be based on, and we'll provide you with that file. So that's task 1A1 file. And the basic instructions. Then we go to the resources that support those instructions. So it's broken into essential resources, and I'll take you down and show you the additional resources in a moment. So notes, these are notes prepared by the college, taking instructions and advising in family law matters, and advising child support and parenting matters. The college has created practice papers for all subjects, and in this family law, paper 1 is on divorce, paper 2, parenting applications, maintenance child support, urgent and interim applications, and property applications. And you'll see that we actually direct students to these subclauses within. So say, for example, if I went to that particular paper, there's the practice paper, and we're referring to the students to the introduction in this particular case, to divorce. Then we provide links to the relevant legislation, practice directions, fact sheets, guidelines. And there's a couple of videos there. This one's produced by Legal Aid Queensland and Legal Aid New South Wales. And then additional resources, additional links to legislation, affidavit, family law, working with children, good practice guide from Legal Aid New South Wales, and then some websites. We also provide students with access to some case study resources. So managing a family law file, and then a quiz. And the quiz is designed to provide students with an opportunity to do revision and for them to get immediate answers. So there's question 1, family dispute resolution is mandatory before any court proceedings for parenting orders can be filed. True? Check. And that statement is true. Further questions? Then the second task, they complete 2 tasks. These are completed in the 2-week period leading up to the oral assessment. The second task, homepage, preparing submissions. And the instructions are here, along with the file that that this particular activity is based on. And again, we'll give you a copy of that file. That's a 31-page file. As per the first task, this task has resources as well, also essential and additional. So in the essential, making applications, preparing submissions, documenting and finalising the agreement. Practice papers, again, with reference to the sections that we'd like them to go to. Etiquette and family law courts, and additional resources. Now, sometimes the resources are listed as essential resource for the previous task, but they may be listed here as an additional, and vice versa. There's a case, good versus good, and another video, drafting correct enforceable orders. Then again, further support for the students in terms of the case study, applications for interim parenting orders, the video there. And again, questions that the students go on and answer. So that's it. Encourage you to just stop that video anywhere you want and have a closer look. and along with the materials, the additional materials that we send to you, hopefully it provides you with an insight into what the students are seeing within Canvas. Thanks very much.